Hello, we are at 2245 Larkin Street, and this is apartment 9. We are on the second floor of the building here. This is a large studio apartment, hardwood floors throughout. Start with the main room here. We are facing due west, and so we have a beautiful view of the Golden Gate Bridge out of this apartment. Nice large main room. Could definitely do a king-size bed in here if you'd like. Electric wall-mounted heater. And bay window there. Okay, off of the hallway, have a nice big walk-in closet. And you can also access this walk-in closet from the main room of the studio that we were just in. Okay, there's some built-in shelves as well. So quickly peeking back in the main room, that door goes into that walk-in closet also, okay? So you can get to it from either side. All right, have an updated bathroom, shower over tub, original tile floor, pedestal sink, mirrored vanity. Actually have two mirrored vanities here. Here is another heater for the unit. So one in the main room and one here in the hallway. Coming into the kitchen and dining. Have some really great floor to ceiling built-in cabinets here that are original. Gas stove, fridge. This is tile here in the kitchen. And then new cabinets here with a marble countertop. And then looking back at the little dining nook. Okay, this building does have shared coin-operated laundry down on the ground level and also an optional storage locker. All right, please go ahead and get in touch, and happy to set up an appointment so you can come by and see this beautiful apartment. Thanks for watching.